Oh my goodness, she did that.
I'm going to see if he wants to speak to us.
That's a big good job.
There's coconut oil and coconut milk in the rice. So that's perfect.
You don't want to slow inside too.
They are
A long way off.
and the bear and the blessing and sheep slept on top of the leg of the tent.
Edini ma in volunteers on training course. A lot of people have gone on to a great